find the volume of the larger tank, we can use the concept of volume scale factor, abbreviated as VSF. The volume scale factor is the cube of the linear scale factor. Volume scale factor will be the cube of LSF. LSF stands for the linear scale factor. Given that the ratio of the length of the corresponding sides of the two similar rectangular water tank is 3:5, the ratio of the corresponding sides of the two similar tank will be our linear scale factor. And to get the volume scale factor, we will take the linear scale factor 3:5 and cube it. That is 3 cube is the same as 27, 5 cube is the same as 125. From here we can set up an equation whereby 27 over 125 is the same as 8.1 over V, where V is the volume of the larger tank. We know that from the equation, 8.1 is the volume of the smaller tank. So 27 represents the volume of the smaller tank and 125 represents the volume of the larger tank. If we do cross multiplication, we'll get 27 times V is equal to 8.1 times 125. Dividing both sides by 27, the volume of the larger tank is, using a calculator, that would give us that 7.5 meter